Namaskar. We welcome you to GHRCE's NewsDesk, the campus news bulletin and your window into everything happening at GHRCE College of Engineering. This is Sindhu Panika bringing you the latest highlights, achievements and events from our campus. Here are today's top headlines. GHRCE shines at SAEINDIA National Level Students Convention 2026. GHRCE faculties and ISHRAE student chapter honoured at ISHRAE Nagpur Installation Ceremony. Alina Raza, a student who achieved district level recognition in sports and martial arts. AI department faculty earns prestigious Oracle Cloud certifications. Now, let's hear it up for news in detail. GHRCE College of Engineering achieved a remarkable recognition at the prestigious SAEINDIA National Level Students Convention 2026 organized by the SAEINDIA Western Section Pune and held at AISSMS College of Engineering on 11th April 2026. The Institute Mechanical Engineering students Ms. Arju Almodkar and Mr. Atarv Kavle of the SAEINDIA Collegiate Club secured third prize in the national level competition showcasing exceptional technical knowledge, creativity and problem-solving skill amongst participants from leading engineering institutes across India. Adding to this achievement, GHRCE was also felicitated for successfully organizing and hosting the Design Thinking competition, which is one of the 11 competitions conducted nationwide under the convention. The event was held at the college campus on 30th March and 2nd April 2026 with enthusiastic participation from students across the country. The honour was conferred by distinguished dignitaries including Dr. Abhay Jere and Dr. Raju Matai, recognizing the Institute excellence in innovation, technical education and event management. The next update, where GHRCE College of Engineering received multiple recognitions during the 20th Installation Ceremony 2026-27 of the ISHRAE Nagpur chapter held on 5th April 2026. Dr. Ashish Raut, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, was honoured with 3 prestigious awards for his outstanding contributions as School Trends Coordinator, Student Activities Chair and Student Chapter Faculty Coordinator for the academic year 2025-2026. The recognitions highlighted his leadership in organizing technical initiatives, mentoring students and strengthening professional engagement within the HVAC community. Adding to the achievement, the ISHRAE student chapter at GHRCE College of Engineering received a recognition plaque for its active role in promoting technical learning, industry interaction, professional networking and student development in the HVAC field. The award acknowledged the Institute's commitment to fostering engineering excellence and bridging academia with industry practices. Director Dr. Sachin Untwale and the head of the Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. Rupesh Shelke, congratulated Dr. Raut and the ISHRAE GHRCE team for their remarkable achievements and encouraged continued participation in technical and professional activities. The next update, where Alina Raza, a 6th semester student of the Department of DIC, brought laurels to her institution through outstanding achievements in sports and martial art activities at the district level. She earned a district certificate at the prestigious Chacha Nehrubai Krida va Sanskritik Mahotsav organized by the District Women and Child Development Officers Office, Nagpur, held from 8 to 10 January 2026 at the Gramin Police Headquarters Ground, Nagpur. Competing in under 55 kg women category, Alina displayed a remarkable determination and skill. Adding to her achievements, she also secured a district referee certificate at the Kwan Kido Nagpur District Referee Seminar organized by the Kwan Kido Association Maharashtra at Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad High School and Junior College, Nagpur. Her success highlighted her technical knowledge, discipline and commitment to martial arts, qualifying her as a district level referee. Faculty members and peers congratulated her on her remarkable accomplishments, which continue to inspire students to actively participate in extracurricular, sports and professional development activities. The last update for today, the Department of Artificial Intelligence at GHRCE College of Engineering proudly announced that its faculty members have successfully completed prestigious Oracle Cloud Infrastructure training programs and earned globally recognized certifications in artificial intelligence and cloud computing. Ms. Ramadevi Salunke earned the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 Certified AI Foundations Associate Certification along with the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure for Sunbird 8 Specialty Certification. Ms. Vaishali Shinde successfully completed the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 Certified Foundations Associate and AI Foundations Associate certifications, while Ms. Vijaya Chaudhary achieved the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 Certified AI Foundations Associate certification. Now, these certifications reflect the faculty members' expertise in cloud technologies, AI fundamentals and industry-oriented skills, further strengthening the department's commitment to academic excellence and advanced technological learning. The accomplishment will help enhance the teaching learning process by integrating practical and industry-relevant knowledge into academics. With that, we come to the end of this episode of GHRC's News Desk. Until we meet you soon, this is Sindhu Panikar signing off. Take care. Goodbye.